Welcome. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, Axonaut Actions Automation for workflows. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and click on it. Click on Install and click on Allow and Install. Ignore this pop-up. Once you're done with your installation, reload the page, search for the app and click on it. This pop-up is going to appear right over here with all its necessary features, such as the documentation, and everything you need to begin your journey with this app is right in here. We have the Smart Queue video and the walkthrough configuration video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app set up. No worries, let's walk you through on how to connect this specific app. Click on the Start Setup and you will require an API key to complete your configuration. Let's head to the account which we've created online. Click on the drop-down icon right over here. Click on the API and click on View your API key. Click on OK. And there you go. Copy your API key. Head back to your account and you paste. Click on Complete Setup. And your app will be successfully connected. We have the support center where you'll be able to submit a detail request through a ticket and schedule a one-on-one video session with our support team. And we have the changelog feature that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this specific app. To receive notifications, toggle on the button, insert your email, then click on subscribe. You've learned how to install and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.